I have been a stock trader for 13 years, but before that, I worked at the front desk at a gym a long time ago, and I made like, $7 or $8 an hour, so not very much. And every time I asked for a raise, I was basically told, like, fuck off. And then at one point, the manager did offer me a membership sales position, which, funny enough, I had wanted to do years earlier. But after getting to work for the company for a little, I was able to see how poorly the salespeople were treated, and I was like, I don't know if I want to do this anymore. I knew I didn't want to work a traditional job, but I didn't know what I wanted to do. And there were these guys who came to my gym, and they were older, and they were all retired, and they would always talk about what stocks they were trading, so I would kind of eavesdrop. My thought process was, well, our gym is in a nice neighborhood. So they're obviously wealthy if they can afford to live here. So they must be really good stock traders. I'm just going to copy them. I think in that time, I probably lost like $40,000. So one day I go up to one of these guys and I kind of say like, hey, the other day I heard you talk about this stock. Whatever happened with it? I knew what happened with it because I was sitting on a 70% loss. It was some stupid penny stock. And he goes, it's all garbage what we're doing. I was like, what? So he says, we're all retired. We're just buying like 2 or 3 shares of these penny stocks. 2 or 3 shares? Bro, I was buying like 10,000 shares. For context, I was also like in my mid-20s, so I was still kind of dumb. So at this point, I could have just given up and said, hey, stock trading is not for me. I tried it. I lost all my money. I'll take the sales job. But I thought, if I'm losing this money, someone's got to be making money trading stocks. I'm going to figure out how to do it. I read 2 books, one about investing and one about swing trading. Never looked back. Most of those companies no longer exist, but some of them are still in my portfolio, sitting at 99% losses that I use on really strong years to bring down my taxable income. I wish I had known about risk management. I wish I knew how to devise a plan. I wish I knew how to stick to my plan. And if we're being totally honest, I wish that there was TikTok back then, because maybe I would have followed someone like me who would have made a YouTube channel and would have said, here are all the things you need to do. And also would have said, hey, don't fall for these course guys. They're out here to steal your money and line their own pockets.